Yes, first of all about myself. About myself. About myself. Here, this is Nageswar Rao. This is Nageswar Rao, very famous for Java training. Famous for Java training. Yes, having 22 years. Yes, sorry, 23 years of experience in software fields. My most of the experience on Java. Next, big data. Yes, Hadoop and Spark. This is my most of the experience. And Linux also, good experience on Linux. Okay. Yes, my whole career, totally 16 projects completed. 16 projects completed. 16 projects completed. Out of 16 projects, 12 projects on Java. 12 projects on Java. 4 projects. Yes, 4 projects on big data. 4 projects on big data and Hadoop. Hadoop, next is Spark. Hadoop and Spark. Okay. Yes, very good experience. Yes, presently my working company. Presently, yes, working for yes, Cellutech Private Limited, Hyderabad. Yes, you can check in Google. This is Cellutech. Yes, this is Google. Yes, Cellutech. This is. So this is my present working company. It's my payroll company. Presently working from home due to COVID reasons. Working from home. So this is my working company. Okay. Yes, client. Presently client. Yes, presently client. Yes, client. Presently client is PayPal. Working for PayPal clients. Presently client is PayPal. Okay, working for Syllabus Private Limited. Yes, it's a payroll company. This is payroll company. It's a payroll. Just it's a payroll company. Yes, payroll company. This is payroll company. Yes, client is PayPal. Client is PayPal. Nothing well known for is PayPal. This client is PayPal. Next, big data Hadoop projects. Big data Hadoop and Spark projects. Yes, for this project, client is Diebold. Client is Diebold. Diebold, it's in ATM manufacturing industry. So Diebold. This is Diebold. Next up. Yes, this is US based company. Okay, located in Hyderabad. Yes, US based company, one branch in Hyderabad. Okay, Madhapur. Okay, yeah, that's all about myself. Yes, very good experience. Lot of experience in Java, big data Hadoop. Lot of experience. Okay, yes, that's all about myself. Yes, yeah. So this is Nageswar Rao, having 23 years of experience. Yes, most of the experience on Java, big data, Hadoop, Spark, and Linux. This area. 16 projects completed. Out of 16 projects, 12 projects on Java, 4 projects on big data, Hadoop, next part. Presently working for Syllabus Private Limited, Hyderabad. Yes, the client is Java projects. Yes, this is for Java projects. Java projects. For Java projects, client. For Java projects, yes, client is PayPal. Yes, big data Hadoop. Default is a client. So 2 clients, PayPal and Default. Okay. Yes, presently my role. Yes, my role in projects. Yes, my role is solution architect. Solution architect. Yes, for Java and Hadoop projects. Okay, Hadoop and Java are somewhat related here. Yes, if you use Java, Hadoop is nothing. Very simple. Hadoop is very easy. If you know the Java, Hadoop is very simple. In Hadoop, extra requirement Linux requires. In Hadoop, extra requires Linux. Yes, Java plus Linux is a Hadoop. That's it. Hadoop is very easy. Yes, if you know the Java, if you're good at Java and Linux, next Hadoop, one more SQL concept. Java, Linux, SQL, it's Hadoop. That's it. Okay. Yeah, that's all about myself. Yes, next. Yes, let us come to course. What's your course? About your course. Yes, about your course here. About your course. So what is your course? Yes, course, it's a core Java, right? Just it's a core Java. Yes, your course is core Java. It's a core Java. Core Java. Yes, duration, total duration. Duration 75 days. 75 days. Duration. Yes, core Java. Duration 75 days. Total duration 75 days. Okay, next time. Time. Yes, 5:30 to 7 p.m. 5:30 to 7 p.m. Okay. Yes. Course, your course is course Java. Duration 75 days. Time 5:30 to 7 p.m. 5:30 to 7 p.m. here. Yes, Monday to Saturday. So Monday to Saturday classes. Monday to Saturday. So Monday to Saturday classes. Monday to Saturday classes. Okay. Yes. Next. Yes, daily recordings provided. Yes, what are services providing for you? Yes, online classes plus daily. Yes, daily recordings. Daily recordings. Yes, daily recordings shared. Yes, daily recordings will be shared. Will be shared here. Daily records will be shared. Okay. Yes, within 1 hour. Daily recordings will be shared within 1 hour of finishing your class. Just within 1 hour of finishing your class. Daily recordings. Okay, daily recordings will be shared within 1 hour only. Right, okay. Daily recordings. Yes, next. Get these recordings you can watch any number of times. You can watch any number of times. Any number of times. Any number of times. Any number of times. You can watch any number of times. Okay. Yes, validity. Yes, validity for recordings. For recordings, 6 months. 6 months validity. Yes, in 6 months you can watch any number of times. Okay. Yes, you can watch any number of times. There is no limit. After finishing class, yes, we'll share you. Yes, we'll share you. Yes, within 1 hour here, you can watch any number of times. You can watch any number of times here, but validity for 6 months. Within 6 months, you can watch for any number of times. No issue. Right, okay. So, but due to some reasons here, taken some break. Yes, you can take break. Due to some reasons, taking some break. Yes, you can take break and continue for next batch also. Okay. Yes, you can attend. Yes, you can attend. Yes, you can. Yes, you can attend another batch also. No issue. You can attend another batch also. You can attend another batch also. I'm not a commercial. You can attend. Yes, another batch also. No issue. Another batch also. Okay. Suppose batch completed. Still, if you want to attend one more time, yes, one more time also you can attend. One more time also you can attend. Yes, I'm not a commercial. One more time also you can attend. It's not an issue. Okay. Yes, you can attend another batch also. Taking some break. That case, attending another batch, or so still if you want to without taking break, batch completed. Still, if you want to attend one more class, yes, one more time here, one more time also you can attend. So these are the facilities providing for you. They are the facilities. Okay. Next year, class document also will be shared. Class document. Class documents. Class documents. Yes, class documents also provided. Class documents. Yeah, this is class documents. Yes, class documents. Java class documents. So this is your class document. Yes, around 475 pages document. 475 page documents. This document will be provided. Yes, daily your class notes in this. You need not write any running notes. Running notes is not necessary. Running notes is not necessary. Here it's there. Yes, everything I have prepared very clearly. Very clearly prepared. Okay, so totally 475 page document. Okay, yes, including 300 programs, 300 examples are there. Yes, many more examples, 300 examples for this document, 300 examples and interview questions and daily class topics. Nothing missing. So what are the topics I'm explaining here? Everything is there in document here. Yes, everything is there in document here. Nothing missing here. So it is totally 475 page documents. Still it's reading 475 page document. Okay. Yes, including class examples, next assignments, interview questions, and all this. So this is complete documents. Okay. Yes. Yeah. So this is about your course. Okay. Yes, 75 days, time 5:30 to 7 p.m. Yes, Monday to Saturday classes, daily recordings. Right, daily recordings will be shared here. You can watch any number of times. Validity for yes, records. Yes, recordings. Okay, recordings 6 months. You can attend another batch also, no issue. Yes, one more time also you can attend. Okay. Yes, I'm not a commercial. You can attend another batch also, no issue. Yes, class document also provided. So these are the services from our stage. Okay. Yes, next. Now, what are the course contents here? Course contents. About course contents. Before course contents, some doubts. Yes, what is prerequisites? What is prerequisites? Prerequisite to learn Java. This is a question. Maybe somebody some doubt here. So what is prerequisites? What is prerequisite to learn Java? Nothing required. Yes, simple, just C language basics enough. Okay, C language. Just C language basics. C language basics enough. I'm not expecting not more than this here. Just C language basics. C language basics like data types, next operators, data types, operators, next control. Yes, next control statements, Okay, just data types, next operators, next control statements. Yes, enough. Okay, yes, I'm not expecting more than this one here. Just C language basics enough here. So what is prerequisite to learn Java? Nothing required here, just only C language basics. Yes, in-depth of C language not necessary. I'm not expecting for in-depth of C language. In-depth of C language not necessary. Just only yes, C basics enough. Just C language basics enough. Like data types, operators, control statements. That's it. Not more than this. Okay, fine. Now let us see course contents. What are the course contents? Your syllabus. Course contents. Course contents. Course contents. In course contents, first part one. Yes, part one. In part one, first starting with software basics. Yes, before going to Java, there are some software basics. Here, my intention is everyone has to understand my classes. Everyone has to understand. Even non-IT background guy also should understand. Yes, freshers to new to IT. Yes, new to IT. Even that guy also should understand. Non-IT background guys also to understand. For that reason, starting very basics. Okay, so first initially, yes, software basics. Software basics. Initially, software basics. Software basics means see, from the beginning, your document, introduction to software, like what is system software, what is application software, so what is OS, next, yes, what is front end, what is back end, next, what are languages and packages, languages, low level, high level languages, next generation of languages. Okay, next after that, what is interpreter and compiler, these things. Next, Java depending on what. Is it interpreter or compiler? That these are all the basics. After this basics, starting basics. After that, entering into Java. Next, entering into Java. Okay. Yes, entering into Java. Right. So first, initially starting with software basics. Yes. After software basics here, next about Java features. Yes, starting with Java features. Next is Java features. Next is about Java features. 1 second. Java features. First is software basics. All that basics about Java features. Okay. Yes, after Java features here. Next. Yes, C++ versus Java versus Python versus Scala. Scala. Yes, I worked with all the languages. I worked with all this here. C++, Java, Python, Scala. The differences. Okay, that comparison we'll discuss. After finishing this, so next one here, yes, Java installation. Java installation. Okay, next, and then Eclipse. Eclipse ID. Eclipse ID setup. Eclipse ID setup. Yes, after finishing, next, what are the steps? Steps to develop Java application. Steps to develop Java application. So what are the steps? What are the steps in developing Java application? Okay, after that, yes, next step what data types. Java data types. Java data types. Yes, after finishing Java data types, next about operators. About operators. About operators. Yes, after finishing operators, next about control statements. Control statements. Yes, control statements. Control statements like if statements. Yes, switch case. Yes, switch case statements. Switch case. Next while loop. While loop. Yes, next do while loop. Do while loop. For loop. For loop. And for each. These things we'll be discussing. For each. See here, up to this is like a C language, C programming. Yes, this is like a data types like a C language, operators like a unary, binary, ternary, like mathematical, relational, all the operators. That concept is same like a C language. Even control statements are like a C language. Yes, even like a C language here. Just I'll give the brush up on this. And all of these things, I'll give some brush up. Okay, on this, yes, around 50 programs will be discussing. 50 programs. 50 programs out of this, yes, 30. Yes, 30 programs explaining here. Yes, I'll explain 30 programs and 20 assignments. You have to do 20 assignments. 20 assignments. 20 assignments. Okay. So 30 programs explaining here and 20 assignments you have to work on. 20 assignments. Okay. So these are the programs, the assignments on every topic giving assignments. List of programs. The list. That list you have to solve it. Yes. Some examples I'll explain. Okay. Some examples you have to solve it. Okay. Some examples you have to solve it. Okay. Yes. See. So this up to this is Java basics here. Basics. Same like a C language. Same like a C language. Yes. After finishing this, next topic is arrays. Like a C language in Java also arrays are there. Arrays in this single dimension arrays. Single dimension arrays on next two dimensional arrays. Single dimension on two dimensional arrays. Two dimensional arrays. These things will be discussed. Okay, single dimension and yes, two dimensional arrays. Okay. Next in this here, yes, we'll be discussing about yes, searching techniques. Searching techniques. Yes, all the searching techniques. Searching techniques. Yes, this girl is facing some issue, I think. Bhuvaneshwari. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 1 second. Yes, this girl is facing issue. Yes. See here, select audio. Select audio at the time of chaining. Select audio. Here this goal. Yes, select audio at the time of chaining. Select it. Select audio at the time of chaining. Yes, maybe that is missing here. Actually, by the automatically that will be selected. Automatically be selected here. Automatically be selected. If not, try this option. Just to try this option. Try this option. Okay. Yes. Searching techniques and here sorting techniques. Searching and sorting techniques. Searching and sorting techniques. Okay. Searching in searching techniques like linear search and binary search. Yes, linear search, binary search. In sorting, different kind of sorting techniques here. Different type of sorting techniques like bubble sorting, insertion sorting, deep sorting, merge sorting. There are different type of techniques here. Yes, different type of techniques. There are different type of techniques in this. All the techniques will be discussing here. Shares. After finishing here is next methods topic. Methods. Yes, in methods like a call by value. Yes, next call by reference. Call by reference. These things will be discussing here. Yes, up to this is Java basics. Java basics. All these Java basics. Up to this point, this topic Java basics. It's a part one. Complete Java basics. Complete Java basics. Okay, the Java basics will be taken for 3 weeks. This is for 3 weeks. 3 weeks. After that, next whoops. Yes, whoops. Concepts. Yes, features. Whoops concept feature implementation. Whoops concept features. Next is whoops. Yes, here from whoops. Yes, actual Java will be starting. Up to this is all the Java basics only. Somewhat like a C language. All these topics, something like a C language. Even like a C language, I'll explain for 3 weeks. More examples we'll discuss. I'll explain for 3 weeks. Okay. So next, whoops concept features implementation. Okay, like yes, like encapsulation, data abstraction. Okay, like encapsulation, like yes, how to implement. Yes, encapsulation. Next, second one, data. Yes, this is part 2. This is part 2. This is part 2. Yes, part 2 actual Java will be starting. Part 2 actual Java will be starting here. Okay, whoops concept features here. This encapsulation, data abstraction. Yes, after data abstraction. Yes, next about method overloading. So how to write method overloading? So method overloading. After method overloading here, next static access modifier. Static access modifier. Like static data, static methods. Like static data, static methods, static classes. How to use all those things we'll discuss. Static. Yes, after static, next this reference. Yes, this reference variable. Yes, after this reference variable, next. Yes, next is about constructors. Yes, next is about constructors. Okay. After that, next one. Yes, constructor overloading. Yes, constructor overloading. After constructor overloading, next topic is inheritance. Inheritance will be discussing. Inheritance, like a single inheritance, multi-level, and hierarchical. Java supports only 3 types. Totally 7 types of inheritance is there. 7 types of inheritance are there. Okay. C++ supports max. C++ and Python supports maximum, but Java supports only 3 types. Java supports only 3 types of inheritance. Java supports only 3 types, like the single inheritance, multi-level, and hierarchical. Only 3 types. Those things we'll be discussing. Yes, after that, next method overriding concepts. Method overriding. So method overriding. Yes, after method overriding. So inheritance, after inheritance, next method overriding. Yes, after this, next topic is access. Yes, specifiers. Yes, access specifiers. Next, access modifiers. Access specifiers. Next is access modifiers. Access modifiers. Access modifiers. See, access space are different from access modifiers. Yes, access space. There are 4 types like public, protected, private, and default. 4 types of access space. Okay. Next, access modifiers are different here. Both are not same. Access modifiers are 7 types. See, these are 4 types. There are 4 types. There are 4 types. Yes, access modifiers are 7 types. There are 7 types. There are 7 types. Okay, 7 types like static, final, abstract, synchronized, transient, volatile, native. There are 7 types of access modifiers. Yes, after finishing this one here, next one is about yes, abstract, yes, abstract classes and interfaces. Sorry, abstract classes and methods. Classes and methods. Abstract classes and abstract methods. Okay. After that, next interfaces. After interfaces, next polymorphism. Up to this oops concepts. Yes, up to this Java technology finishing. Yes, Java learning Java technology. This is Java basic part 1. All the basics here. All Java basics. Part 2. It's a main Java. Yes, main Java part 2. Yes, part 2. This is also for yes 3 weeks. Minimum 3 weeks required for this. 3 weeks part 2. Okay. Yes, 3 weeks required for this part 2. Next part 3. Yes, here actual Java real-time Java starts. See, part 1 all the Java basics. Yes, so part 1 somewhat like a C language. Part 2 is a actual Java technology. Oops implementation in Java. Part 2 oops implementation in Java. Part 3 here. How to use Java in real time. Okay. How to use Java in real time. Yes, this first topic is yes, how to handle strings in Java. Some string class, string operations. Yes, different scenarios handling strings. String next buffer, string buffer, next string builder, next string tokenizer, tokenizer, tokenizer. These things. String buffer, string builder, and string tokenizer. Okay. Yes. After finishing this, next data conversions. Data conversions. Data conversions. Yes, with the yes wrapper classes. Using wrapper classes. Yeah, this wrapper classes concept is very important here in Java. So most of the times using wrapper classes concepts. Okay. After that, next is exception handling. Yes, exception handling here. Exception. What's an exception here? Exception just is a abnormal termination. Suddenly terminating application. Suppose some application, let us take some banking application. Okay. One second. Suppose some banking application is connected to database, connect database, reading data from database. While reading data from database, Suddenly network is down, application fails. Suddenly network is down, then simply application fails. That case how to answer? Application is not fail here. Suppose network is down, then we have to display message. Network is down, server down, some messages have to display, and application should be in live. Live should not be terminated. Okay, so this that concept is the exception handling concept here. So exception is a abnormal termination. So application should not be terminated abnormally here. Okay, yes, exception handling. Yes, after finishing exception handling here, yes, next collections. Yes, collections. Yes, most important topic in Java, collections. Yes, without collections, no interviews in on Java. Yes, everyone must have the collections knowledge. Collections nothing but it's like a data structures in C language, like a data structures, like a data structures concept here. Data structures in C language, data structures like a single linked list, double linked list, next is stacks, queues and trees, right? Like that here also data structures concept is available. Data structures like list components, next queue components, list components, queue components, next map components. So next list, queue, map, and set. Okay, there are different kind of components. List is one kind of components here. Queue components, map components, set here. The different type of components here. Okay. Yes, here depends on data. We can use different kind of components. Depends on data. Depends on data. Suppose some case structured data. Structured data using some components. Structured data. Next unstructured data. Yes, unstructured. Some cases getting unstructured. Unstructured data. Structured data. Unstructured data. Structured data. Unstructured data. Yes, semi-structured data. Semi-structured data. So depends on data, we can use different kind of components. For example, listing component for the structured data we can use. Okay. Yes, map for this unstructured data. Set semi-structured data. So yes, the topic we'll discuss. In actual topic collection, what is structured data, what is unstructured, what is semi-structured, we'll see all of these things. Collections. Yes, after finishing collections, next topic is IO streams. Next, we'll be discussing about IO streams. IO streams. IO streams. Input output streams. IO streams. Input output streams. This is for file handling. It's a file handling concept. It's a file handling concept here. It's a file handling concept. Just it's a file handling concept. There are different types of files, like the text files handling, text files handling, text files. Next CSV files, next Excel files, text files, CSV files, Excel files, next XML files, JSON files, and PDF files, and images. So different type of things, images. Yes, all of these things. Yes, I worked on all the files, particularly in Hadoop. In Hadoop, we use different formats of files. In data processing, different formats of files. Text files, CSV files, Excel files, XML files, JSON data files, PDF files, and images. Yes, work with everything here. A lot of experience, very good experience in this area. Yes, after IO streams here. So next one, after input output streams, next is networking topic. Networking. Yes, next is networking. Yes, networking. Yes, networking here like TCP applications and UDP applications. UDP. TCP applications. Yes, it's a one-to-one communication, right? Yes, one-to-one. Yes, communication like WhatsApp. Yes, we'll be discussing about how to develop the chatting application. Yes, in this we'll see. Yes, I'll explain on chatting application. How to develop chatting application, I'll explain very clearly here. Chatting, yes, somewhat like a mini project. This is chatting application. Okay. Yes, UDP. Yes, it's a one-to-many. So one-to-many here. So one-to-many. So what is this? One-to-many communication here. Suppose some company, for example, let us take some bank, ICICI Bank. At the end of the day, we are delivering some reports to all the branches. From the main branch, delivering certain reports to all the branches. How they can deliver one to many. The server has to deliver report to all the branches. It's a one to many. Okay, how to do that? Using UDP, we'll discuss. Okay, right? Yes, of networking here. So next one is multi-threading. So multi-threading topic here. Multi-threading. So multi-threading. So multi-threading, thread. What is thread here? Thread is a part of application. Suppose your application started ending somewhere. Here this starting ending, dividing into multiple parts. Okay, your application or some program, dividing into multiple parts and running parallelly, it's a multi-threading. Yes, multi-threading here. Just application dividing into multiple parts and running parallelly. So multiple parts of same program running parallel, it's a multi-threading. So what is advantage? Just to get the more performance. Utilize maximum CPU time, that gives the more performance. You get more performance, multi-threading concept you can use. Okay, so multi-threading. After finishing multi-threading, yes, next one is Java 8 and Java 9 features we'll be discussing. Java 8 and Java 9 features. Yeah, that's all about your syllabus. Java 8 and Java 9 features. Java, yes, including your course, including Java 8 and Java 9 features we'll be discussing. This is our complete syllabus. Complete syllabus. 1 second. Part 1, 3 weeks basics. Part 2 also 3 weeks. Yes, part 3. Main topic is part 3. Yes, this part 3 around around 5 weeks. Around 5 weeks. Yes, main focus on part 3. Part 3. Main focus in part 3 is the action topic here. Totally here 5 plus 3. 8 plus 3. 11 weeks. Almost 11 weeks. Yes, your syllabus 11 weeks. 11 weeks. Okay, so 75 days. 11 weeks is 75 days totally here. Okay. Next here in files here, in file handling, we'll discuss one real-time project. Here I'll explain one real-time project here. So how to process data processing. On data processing, we'll see one real-time application, real-time projects. In files, I'll explain that. So this is complete your syllabus. 11 weeks, 75 days. Totally 75 days. Yes, within 75 days, I'll finish. No dragging course. No dragging course here. So within 75 days, finishing here. So most of the times spending in this area. Part 3, real-time concepts. See, generally in markets, most of the trainers, they will spend in on basics here. On basic, they'll spend for 50 days. Next, other 20 or 30 days, they will spend on all the topics. First, they will finish at the end. Okay, they will not explain in real time and all this. Simply, they'll pass it here. They will simply finish it here. So you can most of the time spending in the part 3, the real time area. Okay, so this is about your syllabus. Yes, about syllabus. Any doubts? Yes, any doubts about syllabus? So this is the syllabus topics going to discuss in our complete syllabus. Okay. So for this core Java learning here, C language basics enough. Okay. Yes, even I'll give the brush up on this data types, operators, control statements, and all these. Yes, I'll leave the brush up. Just I'll leave the brush up on this. After that, I'll take to actual Java concepts. Okay. Yes, by the time of finishing this course here, yes, almost more than 300 examples will be discussing. More than 300 examples I'll explain. Yes, any doubts? Yes, guys, any doubts? Yeah, this is just introduction. Tomorrow actual classes will be starting. Yes, I'm starting actual classes. Same link, no change in link. Same link tomorrow also. Okay, till Saturday, same link. No change in the link. Same link till Saturday. Till Saturday. So Monday to Saturday classes. Till Saturday, same link, no change. Okay. Tomorrow also same time, 5:30 exactly starting here. Okay, 5:30 to 7 o'clock. Yes, today just only introduction. for that introduction, just only 1 hour class taken today. Yes, from tomorrow, 1.5 hour class I'll take it. Okay. Yes, any doubts? So this is about your course and all the syllabus. Okay. Yes, 1 second. Let me save. Okay. Let me save this 1 second. Let me save this is just new folder. Yes, course Java. Yes, 5:30 p.m. April month. So first day introduction. It's introduction. Yes, is your syllabus. Syllabus. Yes, I'm saving. Yes, I'll share with you what the topics, content, is the course contents. Okay, I'll share with you. Tomorrow I'll share with you. Yes. Any doubts? If no doubts, let us find up session for today. Yes, we'll continue tomorrow. Tomorrow starting actual classes. Tomorrow I'll start actual classes. With Java features I'll start. So what is Java? What is exactly Java contents? All the things tomorrow will continue. Yes, any doubts? Yeah. So thank you guys. Yes, see you tomorrow.